What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm out here at Subaru of Ann Arbor. We just ended Michigan's biggest Subaru exclusive car meet. There were some other cars out here too, but right now, what we're about to do is go on a little drive. I'm about to go to hell. No, not that place where the devil is, even though I think that is a mental state of being. We're going to Hell, Michigan. So if you've been with the channel for a minute, I drove the Super out there. Shout out to Carshonaut, he let me drive his Super. So that's where we're about to go right now. So everybody already left. Let me jump in the back of the line so we can go. This should be fun. And shout out to my guy Darren. He's got that Skyline over there. I think it's an R34, looking lovely. But let me put this GPS on the screen because I don't know where I'm going. They got a predestined route, and that's what we're about to get on. Got all the Audis out here. Got the Subaru. Y'all didn't know I knew what that was, did y'all? All right, there. All right, I'll see you there. All right, see you. Got me behind all these Audis. All these Audis. Y'all see what we doing?
Jackson Avenue.
Got the mighty.
Right onto Wagner Road.
Got to follow the law. We don't want to roll through a stop sign. I wanted to roll through the stop sign, but got to follow the law. Man, I'm behind all these dumb cars. Ford Escape.
Turn right onto Wagner Road.
We got a 2002 Ford Explorer in front of us, slowing the road down. No. Wonderful roads back here. Got to get in front of these generic vehicles. Uh-oh, see some trouble in paradise. See a bunch of Subarus, so I'm assuming that's from our cruise. Oh, we got a rear ender. No, that exhaust. Not on the cruise. Oh no, not the American Muscle. Got the mighty. How could that happen? That Explorer got the mighty. Part of me just wants to loop back the other way where no traffic is at. And all these lines are double yellow, so I can't even pass anybody. I haven't been able to pass anybody for the longest, but it's a lot of people back here. And I can see why. These roads are amazing. And this has been the one that's been holding us up the whole time. We're doing under the speed limit back here, which is, I gotta pass them with these double yellow lines. All right, here we go. I gotta drop a gear and disappear because I cannot with this. Goodness gracious. God damn. Uh-oh. Now we got the flashing police lights. Let me slow it down. Man, as soon as I got some open road. Good googly moo. Alright. Now we can enjoy the drive. I had to shut the camera off so many times. Drop a gear, disappear. This shifter still needs some work done to it. Still not happy with it. Not the most happy. But this chassis is lovely. Oh, this definitely was begging for some higher speeds. That slow crap we was doing before, Stone Cold voice, not gonna cut it. Oh, speed limit drop. Super satisfying. Caught up to a Prius. God the mighty. I was not over the line. Let this Prius go on through. So we got a nice curve coming up. 25-mile-an-hour curve. Yeah. Now this car can handle amazingly. That's the stuff this stuff was made for. I know this is like a rally car, but this car can actually handles really well. Gotta do something about this shifter though. that Subi ain't part of the gang. Fiata. Brakes. Haven't used those in a minute. Look at all these beautiful colors in the leaves. Like, a lot of people don't believe me, but Michigan is a huge tourist attraction just for all the colors of the leaves out here. And they're going to turn more different colors, but people come far distances to see that. Tourism, Michigan, who would have thought? We got some more. This what I came to see. Slow her down. Actually, we're in hell now. This is where we met when I was with the Supra. All right, that's cool. Now I'm gonna let this car in front of me get on. What kind of boxer is that? Cause they going slow AF in front of me. I know that don't say 55 miles an hour. And that says 35. Is this a Subaru? That is a WRX. Driving slower than me. That's not good, because I drive very slow. Got less than a mile till our destination. Ooh, sneaky curve. Whoa, we got hills back here. Toto, am I still in Michigan? Ooh, we got hidden driveways coming out here. Whoa, is that a dirt road? Ew, gross. Some fine roads. These are the same roads that Car and Driver come on back here, if y'all didn't know. Of course y'all wouldn't know. Why would y'all know that? Car and Driver drives back here. It's like the same route. So this WRX, it didn't win any award today, but this is what I believe to be the best in show. Now this is done up quite nicely. It's got the chrome window tint. You can see the brace on the inside, the grille, splitters, paint match, color match fenders on here. It's slammed. Stance, got the wheels. Now this is very well done up. Q stamp of approval. And if you're looking out, I'll put his Instagram down below. So after the biggest car meet in Michigan, the Subaru car meet, we did a drive out here, but not even all the cars came out here. So leaving the meet, got some bonus content to make, so this should be fun. Met a whole lot of Subaru enthusiasts, and everybody was right. The Subi community is something else, and that's positive, very positive. So definitely enjoyed everybody out here today. It's weird saying this because I'm already done my outro. So yeah, about to tackle these roads. So I got a little bit of juice in the battery, so I'm gonna go to the battery's dad. Subi wave, whoop, as I drive off the road. Got stuck behind some real STIs. Oh, nice Corvette, 50 something. Unfortunately, they driving slower than that Explorer was on the way here. Convinced these are the two slowest STIs on the face of the earth. These cars are more than capable than going the speed limit in these curves. Am I just impatient? I don't think so. I do not think so at all. And we got a license plate, Gapplebees. Ain't nobody getting gapped right now. It's far from it. Alright, the GoPro shut off and it's too boring. Cutting it off. And that's all I got to say about that. So if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. You guys remember to drive safe like I did on this drive. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.